Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx. If you hear drilling or something in the background, it's because I live in the real world and sometimes people do work around my house and they won't stop just because I'm filming, so we're just gonna have to deal with it. Today we are doing July's unboxing for Beauteque Monthly, which is a Korean Asian beauty box. It's my favorite. It has the most fun, quirky Asian skincare products, and I'm a huge fan. They don't send this to me. I pay for this myself. I'm not paid to say anything good. If I say anything good, it's all my own opinion. And I've lost my scissors, so I'll be using tweezers to open this box. All the information for this box will be listed below. And the theme for this box, July 2019, is Beach Ready Essentials. And the first thing I see is the Beauty Foot Stick by Mediflower. It says 3-in-1 for the soft and healthy foot. This retails for $13. It looks like a deodorant stick, slightly smaller. This moisturizing beauty stick relieves dry and damaged feet, perfect for use after a day at the beach. It contains olive oil, argan oil, apricot seed oil, and shea butter, which brings intense moisture and healing properties to the feet. It can also be used on any dry skin areas such as elbows, knees, heels, etc. Apply to dry skin on your feet and absorb. Do not rinse off. I'm actually going to try this. At first I was like, for your feet, like I don't use the feet masks, even though people have told me like they're amazing, the ones that like slough off all the dead like calluses on your feet. My feet, like I love to walk around with no shoes around my house, outside my house. I'm gonna try this and I will let you know if it's any good. This is a hydrogel glam mask with rose extract. I'm actually gonna pass this on or put this in a giveaway because I never use lip masks. I get them a lot in these kind of boxes. I never use them. They're nice, but I just won't use it. This retails for $7. It is a hydrogel mask, which means it's like gel based and not like paper. This improves the appearance of dry lips by giving intense moisture, relieving dryness and peeling. Leaves your lips feeling soft, smooth, and prepares you for the perfect lipstick application. Leave it 20-30 minutes, remove the mask, and pat the remaining essence onto your lips. Oh, the next is makeup, which is not something we always get. And this looks like a magic marker. This is from Stylish Makeup. This retails for $12. This is the waterproof black eyeliner. And we are going to swatch it. And I'll save this for one of my try 5 Korean beauty videos. Like this totally looks like a Sharpie. Ooh, that is incredibly black. And I'll leave this on and maybe I'll remember to swipe it and see if it smears or how black it stays or if it smudges or anything like that. So I will save this again for my try 5 and use it in that video. The next is the E-Saline Vogue oil blotting paper. So this retails for $6.50. It soaks up excess oil and removes shine from your face. Can be used over top of makeup or just on naked skin. It has a light floral scent for relaxation and it's kind of adorable. Penguins and they're saying to each other, because I'm nice, which I don't know the relevance to that, but I just think that's cute. The next thing in here is the Skylake Anti-Stress Cooling Spray. Relieves stress and knotted muscles from your back, legs, shoulders, and more with this anti-stress cooling mist. After a long day at the beach or being on your feet all day, spray this mist to the troubled area and feel a cooling sensation. Let's try it right now. I've gotten some things from Skylake before and I've liked them. My neck is kind of tight right now, so. Ooh, that is extremely strong menthol. And it's not like, it's like serious menthol. It smells like medicinal menthol. That smells amazing, wow. It smells like cough drop menthol. I like that a lot. If you don't like that kind of smell, you probably won't like that kind of smell, but whew, no joke. And the last thing in here is nothing I'm particularly excited about. This is the Olive Farm Aloe Soothing Gel. It's aloe gel. It retails for $9. You can pretty much get this anywhere. It's 96% aloe. This moisturizes, relaxes dry skin, free of artificial colors and harmful chemicals, perfect for any skin type. This is great if you like have sunburn or your skin's really hot. It has a cooling effect. It's really good like to put on breakouts or inflamed skin, like it helps inflammation. Did I just say that weird? Anyway, aloe is a good thing, but I mean, I literally have a closet with like 6 of these kind of things in there, so I might actually just pass this on. That was an okay box. I'm not overly excited about it. I'm hoping for a better one in August. But yeah, that was it. Did you guys like anything from this box? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.